Dominique is exposing what's happening, sketchy things that are happening at airports. And he was explaining, sorry, rather, she was explaining, rather, that the sketchy things that are happening at the OR Tambo, that he had a 4-hour flight and there was someone who seemed that they had something on them and they were trying to touch his bag. Even when they had to collect bags, they were kept on touching his bag. And he was like, he was not worried because of this person went before him while he was behind Dominic, right? And he was like, the only thing that I was worried about was not this person jumping the line and jumping me. The thing that I was concerned about was if they put something inside my bag, and that we need to be careful. And for someone who has never flew before, I feel like I'll be so stressed out that I wouldn't notice these type of things. And even if you do and you are used to it, you probably wouldn't notice it because probably you've flown so much and nothing bad has happened that you might not even notice them, right? But here's the catch here. We need to learn how to be observant on our surroundings, especially at the airport. You could go to jail for years for that. It is not carrying a substance, an illegal substance is illegal. If you don't have money to bribe the police and do illegal things and bribe the judges to drop the case, you are going to go to jail for a long time. So I think I'm gonna take Dominic's advice and try to be careful at the airport. So here is the full explanation. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.
Nina ngifuna unixoxela ukuthi kwenzakalani e-airport kodwa ke ningangireport ngoba angibadwana be witness to any crimes. Lalelani. Mawukuthi nise airport, guys, please be careful. Like, I promise you, the airport is not the place for you to make friends. It's not a place for you to be smiling at people. I'm telling you now, do not smile at anyone. It's not the first time I've noticed this. It's now my 4th time I think I've spoken about it to friends and stuff like that. So today I flew from Cape Town to Johannesburg, then from Johannesburg to Durban, right? So figure at Johannesburg, I'm rushing to get into the terminals because my flight was leaving like now. Okay, sharp, rush. Figure like there's 2 ladies that are behind me. But guys, I have earphones on. I don't really know what's going on. I don't see anything. Sometimes even you guys greet me, I don't hear you guys because I always have earphones on because I have very bad social anxiety. So nonetheless, join the queue, but the queue by the bag scanner, there seems to be a problem with this guy. Kontai paid said that he was not supposed to patter, and we are tatazel. He's tatazeling. It is not my first time seeing this. Let me just tell you. Second, usisi lo track control abantu la athi woza ngala ngiye to the next one. When I get to the next one, there's a lady in front of me. She looks like she's backpacking. Unobhaka nje unento eyiningi. Ugirl nje slap dash nje uyabona ukuthi nje she's nje ngubusy. Cool, not a problem. I don't mind her. I don't care. She's in front of me. She takes her stuff out. To keep her laptop is a mission. Her bag is packed with nje. Cool. While I'm doing that and I'm putting my bag, baby, I'm a celebrity. I need to tell people stories just now, ne? Sharp. So whilst she's doing that, another lady comes from behind me. But my figure from behind me, she touches my bag. And I'm like, I grab my bag, I move it, I put it. Then she skips me. She goes straight to this lady. Guys, I don't know if this is the long story or not. She skips me, she goes to the lady in front. Or control traffic. Why are they skipping you? Kids, I don't know. But now I'm worried about my bag. I don't even care what's going on. When the bag comes out on the other side, this lady who's in front, I still have to walk through the scanner. She's touching my bag because my bag has come out on the other side before. I know very well what they were trying to do, but they failed. Mission incomplete. But it's happening so frequent now, especially at Pekoli. Yini? Mina ngifuna get thrown for dwellings. Please, guys, please, be careful, especially where is Kwam. You know what I'm gonna do? I don't know, but like it's not my first time seeing it. The last time it was a guy that was doing the same thing. This time it's ladies. bafuna wena ungene nento yabo ngale ungene inkingeni uzochaza uthini because you can't say awuyazi sesikhwameni sakho.